Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to share what is Skool and what is Skool platform used for. So if you are a complete beginner and don't know anything about this platform, then watch this video till the end. You will get a quick overview of everything about the Skool platform in this video. And by the way, if you want to use Skool platform absolutely free, then you will be glad to know that I have shared 14 days free trial link of Skool platform in the video description. Just go and check it out and activate 14 days free trial of Skool platform. So let's start our video. What is Skool? So Skool is an online community building platform that help you to build online community, and also you can sell online courses using this platform. Okay, so as you can see, it is just like a Facebook group where your group member, that is community member, can post anything and also they can interact with each other. Let me show you quickly. Suppose I want to react on this post, I can click on like, and as you can see I can like this post. And suppose I want to comment on this post, then what I can do, I can click on this. So what I can do, I can scroll down, okay, and here is the option to add comment. I can comment on it. I can attach a file if I want. I can also attach a link in this comment, or I can click on this and I can add my YouTube video, Vimeo video, Loom video or Wistia video link here as a comment if I want. Okay, there is the option to add emojis and gifs in comment section. So there are lots of feature like Facebook group here. And let me show you one thing, that I have also joined this AI income blueprint group. I have purchased course from Adam and Froy. It is a very good course. So as you can see, I am a member of this community, and suppose I want to post anything in this group as a member, then I can click on it. I can write my title, write my description. I can attach file, add link, add videos, polls, emojis, gifs, and also I can add this post in a particular category if I want. Okay, and I can click on post. And next thing is that, as you can see, there are lots of posts. So if as a group member I want to find anything in this group, then it is very challenging. So what I can do, I can find the post based on the category. So you can create multiple category in your community like this: announcement, dollar win, website audit, general chat. So it will make finding post easier. Okay, next there is classroom section where you can create unlimited courses within this classroom section, because Skool platform come with only one pricing plan, and with that pricing plan you can create unlimited courses inside your community. Okay, so if you want to sell courses, then you can create unlimited courses within this classroom section. As you can see, they have created 9 courses. Suppose if you want to create 100 course, 200 course or 500 course, then also you can do it. Next is calendar tab. Here you can check all the upcoming live event. So it is not my community, it is the community of Adam and Froy. I have purchased his course. I can check all the upcoming live event, and suppose I want to join it, then I can click on it, and here is the link to join. I can click on it, and suppose if I want to add it to calendar, then there is also a feature to add it in my calendar, and if I want to join it, then I can click on it and I can join it. Okay, next is member section where you can check all your group member and community member, and also you can check their bio. If they are online, then it will show online now, and also it will show the date when they joined your community, and also it will show their location. Okay, next is leaderboard section. It is like gamification feature where you can increase the engagement of your community by using the gamification feature. As suppose if you want to increase the engagement in your community, then you can do something like when any group member will reach level 5, then they will unlock a free course on this topic like this. So you can do something like this: when they will reach level 7, then they will unlock a free bonus called this or that, whatever it is. So you can do something like this. It will increase the engagement in your community, and it will make your community highly engaging community. Okay, so as you can see, I have created a fresh community from scratch. Okay, if you also want to create a community, then I have shared a 14 days free trial link of Skool platform in the video description. Just go and check it out. So suppose I want to post anything in my community, then I can click on it. I can post anything, and there is a cool feature called send email to all member. If I will enable it, and suppose in my group I have 100k member, 200k member, 1000 member, 2000 member, then it will send notification of my post to all my group members. So just imagine how much engagement I can get that by using this send email to all member feature. Okay, and suppose I want to do any live event in next week or next day, then what I can do, I can go to calendar section, I can click on plus icon and I can write title, I can share the Zoom link, Google Meet link, or suppose if it is offline event, then I can share the address, or suppose I am doing online event apart from Zoom and Google Meet, then I can share the link of that particular platform here. Okay, and my group member can join it. And also there is cool feature again called remind members by email one day before. So suppose I'm doing live event a day after tomorrow, then they will receive email from me tomorrow that I'm going to do a live event a day after tomorrow. Okay, so like this. So it is also a very good feature. And suppose if you want to create courses, then go to classroom section, click on new course, and you can create course very easily. I have created a separate school platform tutorial video where I have discussed about how to create courses in detail step by step. So if you want to watch that video, then just go and check it out on my YouTube channel. So this is all about school platform, and I want to share one more thing with you. Join the Skool games. It is totally free, and also you will get Skool.com free access for next 14 days with this Skool games. You can play it, and it is a game by Alex Hormozi that will help you to create a community, and also it will help you to grow your community, monetize your community, and also you can start making money from your community. So if you also want to create and monetize your community and start making money from your community, then I will highly recommend you to join this game. Link is in the video description. You can join this game absolutely free, and also you are going to get 14 days free trial when you join Skool games. So that link is also in the video description. Just go and check it out. When you will join this game by using the link given in the video description, then here as you can see there are leaderboard who it will show all the member who are playing this game right now. And as you can see, you can check their earning, like in last 24 hours they have made $750, $700 plus $400, $200, $300, $194, and also monthly recurring revenue is $43,000. So I am not saying that you can also start making thousands of dollars in single day, but you will learn lots of new things that will help you to start monetizing your group, and ultimately after 14 days, 1 month or 2 months, you will start making money if you will join this game. Okay, so as you can see, you can check all the members results here, and there is classroom section where you will get detailed training. Okay, so just click on it, and as you can see, you will learn how to use a Skool platform to start making money. Okay, by creating a community. So I will highly recommend you to join this free Skool game. Link is in the video description. You will also get 14 days free trial of Skool with this Skool game. Link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope that you found this Skool platform overview video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.